One of the biggest advantages of Faces Team's feature is automatic revenue split. Every booking automatically divides income between the business owner and the practitioner based on your preset payout ratio. Whether it's a 70-30, 60-40, or any custom setup, Faces handle it automatically. When a patient pays, the system instantly allocates the correct shares, sends deposit to the right accounts, and records everything in real time. There's no manual tracking or separate calculations. It's all built in. And if your payout ratio changes later, simply open Manage Teams, update the split percentage, and it applies automatically to all future bookings. It's clean, transparent, and accurate, giving both the owner and practitioner complete confidence in every transaction. For business owners, Teams provide total control, accurate revenue splits, compliance and visibility across your clinic. For freelancers, it means flexibility and fair payouts without the admin hassle. It's one of the only systems that does this automatically, giving you time to focus on what matters most, your patients and your business.